Rebuild yourself. Unleash your inner potential. Tired of feeling stuck? Imagine waking up every day with the power to redefine yourself, to rise above challenges, and to create a life that truly reflects your potential. This video is your guide to rebuilding yourself, stronger and more resilient than ever before. Life throws curveballs. Disappointments and failures can leave you feeling lost. But these moments are not the end. They are the beginning of a powerful transformation. Rebuilding is about using every experience, good and bad, to craft a stronger, wiser you. It's about courage. Facing your vulnerabilities head-on is key. Understand that you are a work in progress, and every step forward is a victory. Shed negative self-talk and embrace self-compassion. Your past doesn't define you, it refines you. Think of yourself as a sculptor. You have a block of marble, rough and unyielding. Within it lies a masterpiece waiting to be revealed. Every chip and crack tells a story of perseverance and triumph. Rebuilding is like sculpting. It starts with a vision of who you want to become. It requires patience, persistence, and acceptance of imperfections. The process isn't linear, but every day is a fresh start to paint a new version of yourself. No one can walk this path for you. It's a personal journey requiring you to own your growth. Look at past challenges. They've contributed to your resilience. Embrace these experiences and use them to fuel your determination. The power to change lies within. Turn obstacles into opportunities, failures into stepping stones. This is personal transformation, seeing every hurdle as a chance to learn, adapt, and become better. Cultivate self-love and forgiveness. We're often our harshest critics, holding on to mistakes. Letting go of past regrets isn't forgetting. It's understanding they've shaped you and you can move forward. Forgive yourself to free up space. New possibilities and a brighter future await. Every moment is a chance to start anew, and every day holds the promise of growth and renewal. Surround yourself with positivity and support. Seek relationships, communities, and experiences that uplift you. Self-reinvention is easier with people who believe in you and inspire you. Engage with friends, mentors, or online communities. Share your experiences and gain insights from others. Your environment plays a significant role, so choose to be around those who celebrate your progress. Set realistic and achievable goals. Break down rebuilding into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate every little victory, no matter how small. Each step forward is a sign you're on the right path. With every goal achieved, you build momentum. This propels you towards a future filled with hope. The journey may be challenging, but it's incredibly rewarding. Every challenge overcome is proof of your resilience. Rebuilding means stepping out of your comfort zone. Change can be scary, but it's the catalyst for growth. Discover new talents, explore unfamiliar territories, and realize your potential. Embrace change by trusting your strength. Trust the process of evolution that life offers. Accept that self-improvement is ongoing, and each day is a chance to become better. Reflect on your life and the moments that tested you. See those moments as the foundation for something new. Each experience, no matter how painful, has contributed to your strength and wisdom. This is your chance to rebuild. Honor your past while creating a future filled with endless potential. You are the architect of your own destiny. The journey to rebuild is an act of self-love and determination. Embrace your story, learn from your past, and step boldly into a future where you are in control. Every day is a fresh opportunity for growth. The process might be challenging, but it's rewarding. Let challenges fuel your transformation, and let setbacks remind you of your strength. Take this journey with an open heart and a determined spirit. Ready to rebuild yourself and create the life you deserve? Subscribe now for daily inspiration and practical advice to guide you on your journey of self-reinvention. Join our community of dreamers and doers, and let's celebrate every victory together. Click the subscribe button and start building your best self today.